Here are 10 tips for preventing burnout among physicians, particularly those in emergency medicine.
Remind yourself why you do what you do. It's important to stay connected to your purpose and find meaning in your work. Find a hobby. Hobbies can provide a fun and relaxing way to de-stress. Spend time with loved ones. Social connection is important for mental health. Make time for exercise and sleep. Exercise and sleep are essential for both physical and mental health. Take a vacation. Breaks from work are essential for preventing burnout. Find support in the workplace. Having a good friend or mentor at work can provide emotional support and help you feel less isolated. Set personal goals. Having goals outside of work can help you maintain a sense of balance in your life. Set boundaries on professional commitments. Don't take on more work than you can handle. Celebrate your accomplishments. Take time to acknowledge your successes, even the small ones. Schedule regular checkups and maintain healthy habits. Taking care of your physical health can help you prevent burnout.